Hi, my name is Rick Compagne and I'm from the Netherlands. I'm one of the founders of FabLab Amersfoort, a small fab lab in the center of the Netherlands. And we give people access to our machines. There's a laser cutter and a CNC mill and also some 3D printers. 2 of these printers I built myself. After the building process, I wanted to start printing something, but I realized that I didn't know how to draw something in 3D. So I created Doodle 3D. Doodle 3D is a very simple sketching tool which enables everyone to draw something in 2D and have it printed in 3D. So in the first place, I created Doodle 3D for myself. All of a sudden I got asked to do workshops at schools and festivals, and people asked me to give lectures about the program, and it turned out to be a very handy tool for other people as well. It made it easier for them to use and understand the 3D printer.
Is een computer en dan moet je op tekenen.
iPad?
Ja, iPad.
Daar kun je het helemaal bij passen en zo. En helemaal schuin en recht en al die figuurtjes erin.
En dan, als je hem zo mooi vindt, dan kan je hem weer doorsturen aan dat apparaat.
Die maakt dan zo'n figuurtje wat je hebt getekend. En dan haal je dat figuurtje uit het apparaat. En dan heb je dat prachtige figuurtje.
Ik ben Frans Belen. Ik heb dit gemaakt. En dat is een ding om boodschappentassen mee te dragen. Je tekent het gewoon op zo'n iPad en dan komt het door naar de computer en dan zie je hem gewoon tekenen wat jij hebt gedaan. Dus het is allemaal heel zichtbaar. Ik blijf het een wondertje vinden.
To reach as many people as possible, I created this. It's the Doodle 3D Wi-Fi box. Let me tell you how it works.
The Doodle 3D Wi-Fi box is a very tiny and smart device. It enables you to send your own drawing from your computer, smartphone or tablet to a 3D printer. Just make a drawing and press print. Wirelessly, your drawing is sent to your printer or somebody else's printer if you don't have one yet. You can save it or load an earlier one. You can adjust the 3D shape by twisting or scaling the layers. And this way you can convert simple drawings to complex 3D shapes without the knowledge of complicated 3D programs.
Well, the money from this Kickstarter campaign will be used to hire additional help to help us finish the code of this software. You've seen from our prototype they're already quite far, but if we want to send this all over the world, we'll need to work on a stable release version. Now, we also want to make this available on as many different platforms as possible, so that means different types of tablets and different types of 3D printers.
My name is Joris van Tubergen. I have a project on Europe for minute design. I think 3D printing is not complicated. Everybody can do 3D printing. And especially with an app like Doodle 3D, it's really possible for everybody to 3D print something. Even if you don't have a 3D printer at home, you can draw your objects and you go to your neighbors or to a fab lab or somewhere else where there's a 3D printer. And then you can plug it in and you can print it out.
Well, I'm Iris Dauma and I'm doing workshops with the Doodle 3D tool. The nice thing from Doodle 3D is that you have like a really direct way of showing how 3D printing works. They see it and you can do it and it's already in your hands. What they can imagine they can make.
If you like our project and you would like to back us, then please look at our rewards on the right side here.
So with your help, we can distribute Doodle 3D and the Wi-Fi box, and this will make 3D printing easy for everyone. Our team will follow the developments in 3D printing closely, and we will keep working on ways to bring it closer to you. For more information, visit our website, doodle3d.com.
Hi, I'm Ted, founder of Creation Hardware, and today I'd like to introduce you to our latest product, Kevo. I founded Creation Hardware with the goal of creating easy-to-use tools made for makers. The Kevo is the first in a line of products that will accomplish that goal. Vacuum forming was a great choice for our first product because it is easy and fun to create your own original objects. Vacuum forming has been around for decades, but it is primarily used for industrial and commercial applications. Industrial vacuum formers are hard to use and extremely expensive. The Kevo brings vacuum forming into the home by making it easy, fun, and affordable for everyday use. The first step to using your Kevo is placing your object on the vacuum chamber. Once you have done this, place a plastic sheet into the mold grip. Then tighten it in with the corner wing nuts. With your oven preheated to 300 degrees, place your plastic in mold grip inside the oven. Next, turn on your vacuum. The Kevo is made to work with a wide variety of vacuums and includes an adapter for small, medium, and large hosed vacuums. Once your plastic is heated and softened, quickly place it on top of the vacuum forming platform. You'll see that with the suction inside the vacuum chamber, the plastic will quickly adhere around your object. After a few seconds, the plastic will cool and you can remove the mold grip from the vacuum chamber. You will notice that the plastic has molded around your object. This can be used as a mold for making more parts or by itself. The Kevo can be used to create mini objects in a variety of materials, such as easy-to-use plastic pellets, chocolate or hard candies, wax for creating candles. You can mold objects off of clay, store-bought letters, CNC'd objects, 3D printed objects, or toys such as this car. You can create plastic parts, edible objects, blister packs to sell your products, and even cut out the mold to make a housing for your electronics project. The possibilities are endless, so you can let your imagination run wild. The Kevo allows you to easily create blister packs to package your product. All you need is a sheet of clear vacuum forming plastic, a title card, and a spacer to go in between the title card and the vacuum forming chamber. This will create a crevice, allowing the plastic to be sucked in, creating a seal around your object and title card. Once you remove your plastic from the mold grip, all you have to do is trim off the excess plastic and you have a ready-to-go retail product. The Kevo is composed of high-grade laser-cut acrylic thermoplastic and is assembled by hand with care. The mold grips are made from plasma-cut 6061 aluminum alloy. Each Kevo and its accessories are securely packaged to prevent damage in transit. This is where I need your help, Kickstarter. Manufacturing the Kevo in large quantities requires tools such as plasma cutters and laser cutters. To help support the Kevo and creation hardware, you can buy one of the models you see here. The Kevo is available in sunflower yellow, ruby red, and kiwi green, and includes the Kevo vacuum forming chamber, the mold grip, vacuum forming plastic, vacuum adapters for medium and large vacuums, and a quick start pamphlet. On behalf of the Kevo and Creation Hardware, I'd like to thank you for your support and wish you happy creating.
Circuits are the building blocks of our modern world. They light our houses, and they're in our cars, computers, and cell phones. But building simple circuits still looks like this, or like this. We thought that we could do better. We wanted to make building circuits as simple as doodling on a piece of paper. No breadboards and no wiring required.
So we invented Circuit Scribe, the world's first ballpoint pen that draws electric circuits instantly. Hi, I'm Brett Walker, the co-founder and CEO of Electronics Incorporated.
Hi, I'm Annalisa Russo, and I'm the Director of STEM Outreach for Electronics.
We're part of Jennifer Lewis's research lab at the University of Illinois, and we've invented a water-based, non-toxic, conductive ink that writes on flexible substrates like paper. You don't have to shake or squeeze the pen, and the ink dries instantly, so you don't have to wait 24 hours for a functioning circuit. Circuit Scribe allows you to create low-cost, high-quality electronics instantly. We've also developed a variety of magnetic components that snap right into your circuits. No gluing, no soldering, just plug and play.
This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way circuits are taught in schools. It takes circuits out of the textbook and into the imagination. Circuit Scribe is about learning through creating. You can create simple circuits using nothing but paper and a small battery for STEM education projects, or for some very dynamic refrigerator art. The possibilities of Circuit Scribe really are limitless. Schematic sketches can become instant working prototypes. Circuit Scribe also interfaces with the Arduino Makey for DIY life hacks. We're really excited to get Circuit Scribe into your hands and see what you come up with.
We have the prototype completed, and now we want to get Circuit Scribe out to consumers. We found a company that will help us design and manufacture the first batch of pins, but we need your help to fill that order. If we pass our goal, we can develop more products, like resistor and insulator pins, and get Circuit Scribe into stores and classrooms.
We put together some awesome rewards packages for our backers, so pick up a kit and back Circuit Scribe. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Dominic DiGiorgio, and this is the LazerBlade. It's the affordable entry-level laser cutter for the everyday hobbyist. The LazerBlade will let you cut and engrave many different types of materials, including wood, paper, leather, and even acrylic. It's simple, sturdy, and very easy to use and assemble. The LazerBlade is available in both A4 and A3 sizes. We wanted to make the LazerBlade as useful as possible, so we incorporated a 2-watt laser diode as standard. This level of power gives you the ability to work with a wider range of materials, making faster, cleaner cuts. To handle this increased power, we designed a unique laser unit. This cleverly directs airflow not only to cool the laser, but also divert fumes away from the lens and the cutting zone. It allows you to adjust for different material heights, and most importantly, helps protect your eyes from the laser. The LazerBlade is available as a partially assembled kit. Assembly is easy even for a beginner, since all the tricky parts have been pre-assembled for you. The kits come to you with everything you need to start lasering, including power pack, anodized focus tool, a USB cable, and pair of safety glasses. We include detailed, easy to follow instructions. If you can snap things together and use an Allen key, you can have the LazerBlade assembled within 2 hours. Using the LazerBlade is also easy. It simply plugs into a USB port on any PC or Mac and has homing switches built in to initialize the laser position. You control the LazerBlade by sending it cutting files. That means it'll work with any software package that generates standard G-code. To make life even easier and help you get the most out of your LazerBlade, we've formed alliances with 2 software developers who have created LazerBlade-ready versions of their programs. We're proud to be supported by Vectric, the creators of Cut2D Laser, and John Champlin with Pick Laser Lite. As a special thank you for supporting us on Kickstarter, we're including licensed copies of these 2 packages for no extra charge. We've invested close to a year in getting the LazerBlade to this point. We have fully working prototypes that we've been testing for a number of months now, but we need your support. Kickstarter funding will enable us to place quantity orders for components, get our electronic boards into production, and set up for manufacturing the 3D components. Help us make this project a success by supporting it. Thanks everyone.
We are happy to present to you our novelty, Picolor. Picolor is an art tech gadget that will make life easier for artists and all those who will be mixing colors to find their own unique shades. Why do you have to use so many markers? Picolor will replace expensive markers, pencils, and paints. Hard to find desired shade? Picolor will help you create unique colors or shades. Picolor is capable of doing much more. Everyone will be able to use Picolor.